and I want you to center yourself while it exists. Everything, all the adrenaline is flowing around you. You know what it feels like. You know how to live with it. You know how to sit with it. You know how to be still with it. I want you to be still with it, even though it's happening in you. Okay? Make sense? That's the first exercise we're going to do. All right, so face your fear drills. Guys, I'm going to give you 5 minutes each way. 5 minutes each way to play with that. And then we're going to progress that. Okay? Like I said, there's 4 steps to this. This is the first of the 4 steps. Okay? Make sense? I've got post-it notes up at the front. You'll need 1 each. All right? Okay? You bet.